Guys, my mother-in-law's oxtails are done. I put the potatoes and the carrots in. Once they were really nearly complete, they were completely done when I put the potatoes and the carrots in. You could just smell them. I wish I could eat them, but I just want you guys to see them. Hope I got this camera. I'm using this app again. Yeah, I got some of that good stock in here. So I'm going to add a little more stock to them. And I'm going to put the top on. They'll be ready to go. Her pistachio cake is ready. And the reason why I have so many veggies, because I have veggies on the bottom too, because I want to make this an entire meal. So if she wants rice, she'll probably cook her some rice. But I don't have time to cook rice because my mom is ill and I need to get to her. So, hold on, guys. And I want to say hello to my new subscribers and thank you for your support. So today's just been a crazy day, but I have managed to get the pistachio cake out for her and to get the oxtails out for my mother-in-law. So hey Joanne, love you, and happy Mother's Day. And I want to say happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out here, and for those of you who mothers are ill, and of those of you who mothers have passed on, gotten their wings, and sleeping peacefully. Happy Mother Day, of peace. And to those of you mothers who are battling illnesses, happy Mother's Day, and may this Mother's Day bring you to be pain-free and bring you a day where you take your lemons and you turn them into lemonade, because that's what I plan to do. I'm praying for a great weekend of pain-free myself, where I will have an awesome day. And so again, love you guys. Thank you again for your support. Please hit that like button so YouTube will know I'm doing a good job, and so they'll know that I'm here participating. So again, hugs and kisses to all of you. I love you guys. Until the next upload, see you later. Go be you and be great doing you, okay? Love you guys. Bye.